If your website has any of these, it means you need to revamp it and get a new website. So number one is really slow load speed. If your website is taking forever to load, people probably aren't going to stick around long enough to even view it. So that's a sign that you need to get a new website up ASAP. The next thing is if your website is not mobile responsive. If you load up your website on your phone and it's just a big glob of text and you have to zoom in to see stuff, that is a glaringly obvious sign that you are in desperate need of a new website, because like 90% of people look at websites on their phones, so it should be responsive to that. The last thing that's a sign that you definitely need a new website is if you don't have HTTPS on your URL. That means your website is not secured when people fill out your contact form, meaning if they're on a public Wi-Fi or they're not on an encrypted Wi-Fi, that information is going to get transmitted over plain text and none of it is going to be protected for their privacy. That means their email, their phone number, their name, their address, or other contact information is going to be available to anybody who wants to see it. So you need to get that taken care of. If you fit any of those three categories, you definitely need a new website.